Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Messages and selecting the digital touch canvas for your chosen contact. Use 2 fingers or an Apple Watch to interact. This gives you direct control. Tap once to send a single pulse, or press and hold to charge intensity. Once done, release to stamp the heartbeat. You do this because digital touch translates pressure and gesture into animated hearts, so practicing a brief press teaches the timing you'll use in the fuller sequence. Next, you build the recognizable heart by combining gestures. Perform a 2-finger double tap to trigger a heartbeat, vary pressure to change animation weight. Then swipe downward or upward to shift color and alter visual intensity, which helps the heart look more 3-dimensional. Make short tap-hold bursts to layer pulses, creating a sustained beat. As you work, anticipate how gesture duration affects the on-screen result, so you can reproduce the same heart consistently for different recipients. To finish, preview the composed heart and then send when you're satisfied. Make quick adjustments using the clear or erase option if present. If gestures don't register, make sure your screen or watch is responsive, close and reopen messages, and retry. This resolves most hiccups. For consistent results, practice timing with half-second to 1-second holds and measured taps so your heart pulses match how you intend. You'll know why when the animation looks deliberate rather than accidental.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.